Here I am 8 weeks in. This is now coming up to the final 4 weeks of my 12-week program on how to make money and whatnot. The journey has been exhausting. I am knackered. I done £13,000 of sales yesterday, both in the coin and the fashion shows. I done literally 8 hours of solid shows yesterday. And I'm murdered. I finished at 3 o'clock. I was printing off the labels and I was getting packing done in the early hours of the morning. I'm absolutely exhausted. You can hear my voice. My voice is destroyed because I do a lot of shouting. I'm a quite lively person. And I realize that sometimes that's the best way I've seen as I read people. As I get livelier, I make more money. This has been one of the most craziest journeys I've ever taken. I am no longer with eBay at all. I have destocked £1 million of my stock on eBay and I'm selling it at a wholesale price on Whatnot. The question is, did I make money on it? Or am I making money on it? The answer is this. I have calculated now with the £161,000 that I have made, I have generated about £40,000 of what they refer to as gross profits minus my taxes, which isn't bad. Given the fact that all my stock was liquidated, this was owned outright by me, so I actually get the benefit of the stock money as well because I'm not rebuying stock at the level that I stored it at. When I'm going to be buying stock, well, I'm buying some silver and gold and I'm working on the Irish Mint with a part of the idea is to remove all the eBay stock, close it down and finally say goodbye to the eBay situation. Whatnot, will they continue? I may continue with the Whatnot on the silver using my Irish Bullion and Coin, which is the retail wing of the Irish Mint. And they will be selling distribution channels of Agoro and other brands of silver and gold from around the world, whereas the Irish Mint will be the manufacturing side of it and will not be retailing at all. You will be buying my coin through distributors throughout the world, hopefully. That's what I'm hoping. And when I'm making production coin, that will be sold around the world using my distributors. Would I advise you guys to sell on Whatnot? If you want to make some money, well, the answer is no. Whatnot itself is not really good for anyone that retails. It's for people who are disposing of stock. It is a disposal system because we are at the bottom of the tank when it comes to profits. Right now, as I said, the profits that I'm making is because of where I'm buying my stock from, and that can only be shared with my internal people who are in my circle. I will not share it openly with you guys purely because it's a trade secret. And if you want to be in the trade secret, you must get involved with me on my show. Saying that, Whatnot to me is the place that if you want to get rid of anything and quickly and get high yield, high turnover of it, it is going to be Whatnot. The live shows do have very demanding customers. I have noticed it. They're extremely demanding in a different way. Then the Givey Goblin, that's something that gets aroused me a bit. I've changed the system. So what I do now is I say, you get in the followers, Givey. And if you are a buyer and you've bought some product from me, I will double the Givey. That in fashion, in silver, in general goods, you will get 2 times the pick. The idea really is to reward buyers, not reward simple followers. So I'm looking to get a loyalty base from it, not just people who fakely push up my now 10,000 followers to add with the followers that are going on YouTube. But if you want to make some serious money, serious profit, Whatnot is not the place. Whatnot would not be something that I would highly advise to do on a regular basis if you want to make serious cash. Where you need to go are other platforms such as Vinted and eBay. Regretfully, I hate eBay, but they are probably the higher level of profit yield without the nonsense. There are scams, there are returns. With Whatnot, you get the advantage of not having returns, but there are issues as well with that, with people demanding, people lying. And there's a lot of things that I need to talk about now that I just remembered about Whatnot, which I found out recently. So It is a community-led auction system. There should be no returns, there should be no replacements, and if anything goes wrong, Whatnot should sort it. There's been a lot of people scamming me in the 8 weeks thus far. I've had people buying likes of a Canada Goose. Getting the Canada Goose, we have videoed it. We have absolutely provided evidence that the item is packed in the box, and the customer said it wasn't the coat that he bought, asking for £650 refund, and no Canada Goose has been returned. Has the customer got their money back? I bloody well hope not. It's not coming on my ledger, but the ledger with Whatnot is hard to read. There is something I've noticed. There are other scams that have went on, such as the package, where they open up the package as they receive it. They actually slice the bottom and say the coin fell out. This is one thing I've noticed with silver. There's a lot more people seem to not get their item. And it seems to be where they have a really expensive coin they bought, and suddenly the coin fell out of the envelope and they get an empty envelope, indicating that Royal Mail stole it. Now, I have never heard this before until I started selling silver and gold on Whatnot. That's an indicator that this is a scam worth dealing with, and Whatnot needed to knuckle down on that very, very quickly, because there's a lot of people doing it. I get a lot of people coming to me saying they never got the item. I've got a lot of people saying it was never packed. And I'm going through the videos. We have to now get a brand new video system installed in a packing table that's dedicated for packing the silver and gold. And it is directed directly onto by 4 cameras with a time frame that has to indicate with their name on it as well, because we have to go through everything. And we have to now start securing the issues that are customers saying they never got the item or the item wasn't packed. There's a lot of scamming going on, guys. There's a lot of scamming going on, and Whatnot currently are absolutely facing the bill. I don't know why they're doing that. There should be a lot more, I understand there's harmony and Whatnot, but that is a big issue for me. The scammers are a big issue. I've gone to other bullion dealers and other people who sell silver and gold, and some of them have not got any level of, they've got no level of protection on that. And then you go to other ones who have got the same thing that I've got installed or being installed, is a camera packing table. That's basically the new thing for Whatnot. Yes, I'm going to continue selling, but the packing table will be used throughout my mint and my retail wing to make sure that people, when they say they never got the item, that we've got it covered. And we can say, you're full of dung. That's it there. So that scam is one thing that I've seen. And of course, you see scumbags everywhere. They're here on Whatnot. They're on eBay. And they're trying their arm here and Whatnot. And if Whatnot keep pandering to them and paying out for losses, they will eventually say, this is it. Enough is enough. And it'll be too late, because you'll have hundreds, possibly thousands of scammers in the system continually taking the piss. So Whatnot, if you're watching, please, guys, watch this problem. This is becoming an issue. I've seen it now 4 or 5 times with my silver, and I've had to either honor it and send it, or I've had to wait for Whatnot support to contact me. Scamming aside, Whatnot is a community. It is a social knit of people, friends and foes. Now I have foes. I never thought I would get enemies to the level that I have. You don't get this on eBay. You don't get this on Vinted. And I've got enemies that I've created because I'm becoming already, after only 8 weeks, one of the largest sellers of silver and gold on Whatnot. I've only been at it for a while, and yet I am kicking rear end. It's absolutely boiling it. Yesterday I made 10,000 in sales just on one show. We'd done it till 3 o'clock in the morning, but hey, it was fun. But the issue is that I am seeing people rise and enemies come. When I've got my distributions open, people are trying very hard to stop me from getting distribution for Ireland. This is a little group of people, just tiny-minded little group of people who are in Whatnot, and they gather together. I followed them and I went round their shops where they're sellers. These are sellers. And I watched and listened to them while I was anonymous in another username, listened to what they were saying about me and other major sellers such as Haven, such as Bullion Twins, and other people like Ollie. And they were continually slating them and finding other ways openly. Racist. They're just crazy people. So I will say on end, is Whatnot for you if you want to make money? And you have to present yourself the way I am right now. The answer is no. Don't do it unless you are able to make money. And I don't see it as a highly profitable business. For me, it is because I can buy my stock very cheap indeed, and I can sell it at a profit. But it's low yield, high turnover, high movement, and that's the way it should be. And you can see the ones that have done so well are the ones that sell thousands and thousands of items per day. And that's what I'm doing. So if you want to make some money, Vinted, Etsy, that's where it is, not on Whatnot. Until Whatnot change how we do things in regards to selling, and the culture changes, because ultimately everybody wants everything. If I say to you today, I want a tenner for it, guys, I'm going to do a bid start and I want a tenner for it. They will bid 9. They will bid 8. They will never go over 10. And no one, it's like an understanding, a group understanding. No one wants to pay tenner, and it's rare it goes over. If you go ahead and start the auction for what you're looking for, say, for example, an item worth 10 quid, and you say, here we go, bid for 10 quid, and they know you're good at pound starts, they won't bid for it. It actually stays still. I've tried it, and it's absolutely heartbreaking when I know that when you're trying to get a bargain price. So you have to be smarter. Intelligence is wealth, guys. If you think about it, intelligence is wealth. But I've got to work that out myself. If you want my advice and you're looking at this and say, we're looking to me, Al, do you want to make money? I have to sincerely tell you, Whatnot is not the place to make profits. There it is there. That's me. That's the end of my rhyme on about Whatnot. We will move on very soon. 4 weeks to go. And I will give you the final totals as I keep going. The final totals should see it at about £250,000 of turnover within 12 weeks, which is phenomenal. And it's been exhausting, but it's phenomenal nonetheless. So if you want to do £250,000 of turnover and very small profits, you have to absolutely get involved with Whatnot. If you do not want to do that and you want to make a bit more profits, like a 50% markup, eBay and Vinted are it. There it is. Thanks for watching. Please remember, like and subscribe.